Hi, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of the Legal and Ethical Environment of Business. Hard to believe that we're already midway through the material. We've covered quite a bit of ground, and we still have quite a bit to cover yet still in the class. Hope you're enjoying it up to this point. This week, we're going to be spending some time talking about chapters 12, 13, 14, and 15. Chapters 12, 13, and 14 address issues related to the formation of contracts, the performance of contracts, and the breach of contracts. And we're going to be looking both at traditional contracts and those contracts that are formed in cyberspace. As we'll see, the principles are the same, but sometimes the practice is a little bit different. It's a lot of material, I will tell you that up front. Many classes like business law spend almost the entire class covering these topics, but because this is a survey class, we're just going to be able to spend a little bit of time on a lot of different topics. And so I don't expect you to become proficient contract attorneys at the end of the week, but give it your best shot, and I think you'll enjoy the material. Chapter 15 deals with the topic of debtor and creditor relations and bankruptcy. The practice of law, particularly when it comes to representing small, medium, and large corporations, lawyers find themselves doing a lot of collection work. Getting paid for whatever the entity does can be an ongoing problem, and business law spends a lot of time trying to collect that money from folks who owe it to the individual or to the company. And that doesn't seem to matter whether we're talking about selling cars or houses or providing legal or medical services. Getting paid always can be a challenge. And then, of course, sometimes debtors find themselves overwhelmed by their debt situation and end up filing bankruptcy. And so we'll spend a little bit of time looking at the different kinds of bankruptcy relief that's available and what, if anything, debtors can do. I think we've had some great discussion over the past several weeks, and I think this week's discussion will be no different. This week's discussion question is just a little bit different in the sense that it's sort of a legal reasoning group activity that you'll be doing individually, and really all you need to do this week is answer the initial questions and then just one reply. So you'll only have to post twice this week. So hopefully that'll give you a little bit of relief. Additionally, don't forget to do the business in the news and the weekly assignment. Midterm grades will be going out on Monday, April the 9th. Most of you should do pretty well. For those of you who are not happy with the grade that you receive at this point in time, most of that is due to assignments not being turned in. So please get your work in, and I think you'll see your grades pop up. We still have plenty of time for y'all to do well, and so again, get those past due assignments in. As you know, I'm pretty liberal when it comes to late work. I would just assume you do the work, learn the material, and get the points. So again, make sure you do that. Lots of time left still to get grades up. So have a great week. Any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to contact me, and we'll visit with you again next week. Take care.